In today's video, we're diving into the crucial topic of checking your FICO score and why it's essential for your financial health. So, what exactly is a FICO score, and why does it hold so much weight in our financial lives? Well, your FICO score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness based on your credit history. This score is used by lenders to assess the risk of lending you money and plays a significant role in various financial decisions you make. When it comes to loan approvals, interest rates, and overall creditworthiness, your FICO score can make or break the deal. A higher FICO score can lead to easier loan approvals, lower interest rates, and better terms, while a lower score may result in rejections or higher costs. Understanding the impact of your FICO score on these aspects is crucial for making informed financial choices. By monitoring and comprehending your FICO score, you empower yourself to take control of your financial future. It allows you to track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately work towards achieving a healthier financial standing. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the significance of monitoring and understanding your FICO score for a more secure financial future. Creating an account. If you're ready to take control of your financial well-being by monitoring your FICO score, creating an account on a reputable credit monitoring website is the way to go. Popular platforms like Credit Karma, Experian, or MyFICO are trusted sources for checking your FICO score and understanding your credit health. These platforms offer valuable insights and tools to help you stay on top of your financial game. To get started, let's walk through the step-by-step process of signing up and verifying your personal information on one of these platforms. First, visit the website of your chosen credit monitoring service and locate the Sign Up or Create an Account button. Enter your email address, create a secure password, and provide the necessary personal details for account verification. It's crucial to choose a secure and reliable platform when accessing your FICO score to safeguard your sensitive information. Look for websites that use encryption to protect your data and have a track record of trustworthiness in the industry. By selecting a reputable platform, you can confidently monitor your FICO score and make informed financial decisions with peace of mind. Accessing FICO score. Now that you've created an account on a reputable credit monitoring website, let's explore how you can access your FICO score through the chosen platform. Navigating to the FICO score section within your account dashboard is typically straightforward. Look for a tab or section labeled Credit Score or FICO Score on the homepage or main menu of the website. Click on this section to view your current FICO score and related details. Once you've accessed your FICO score, it's essential to understand how to interpret it. Your FICO score typically falls within a range of 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better creditworthiness. Factors such as payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, new credit accounts, and credit mix influence your score. Take note of any fluctuations in your score and identify areas where you can improve to boost your overall credit health. Regularly monitoring your FICO score is key to staying financially aware and proactive. By keeping a close eye on your score, you can track your progress, detect any potential errors or fraudulent activity, and make informed decisions to enhance your credit profile. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to managing your financial future, so make it a habit to check your FICO score regularly. Understanding score factors. To truly take charge of your credit health, it's crucial to understand the key factors that influence your FICO score. Payment history, credit utilization, and credit mix play significant roles in determining your creditworthiness and overall FICO score. Payment history is one of the most critical factors affecting your FICO score. Making on-time payments consistently demonstrates your reliability as a borrower and can positively impact your score. Late payments, on the other hand, can lower your score and signal potential risk to lenders. Credit utilization, or the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit, also plays a vital role in your FICO score. Keeping your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%, shows responsible credit management and can boost your score. Additionally, having a diverse credit mix, including a mix of credit cards, loans, and other types of credit accounts, can positively impact your FICO score. Lenders like to see that you can manage various types of credit responsibly. To improve your credit score, focus on managing these factors effectively. Make timely payments, keep your credit utilization low, and maintain a healthy credit mix. By empowering yourself with knowledge about these score factors, you can make informed decisions to enhance your credit health and secure a brighter financial future. Monitoring and alerts. When it comes to staying on top of your credit health, utilizing monitoring tools and alerts can be a game changer. These tools offer valuable features such as credit score tracking, score change alerts, and credit report monitoring to help you keep tabs on your FICO score changes and overall credit status. Credit score tracking allows you to monitor your FICO score regularly and track any fluctuations over time. By keeping an eye on your score, you can quickly identify trends and take action to improve your credit standing. Score change alerts are another handy feature that notifies you of any significant changes in your FICO score. Whether your score increases or decreases, receiving alerts can prompt you to investigate the reasons behind the change and address any potential issues promptly. Credit report monitoring goes a step further by keeping an eye on your credit report for any updates or suspicious activity. Regularly reviewing your credit report can help you spot errors, identity theft, or inaccuracies that may impact your credit score. To proactively manage your credit, consider setting up alerts and notifications on your chosen credit monitoring platform. By staying informed and taking swift action when needed, you can maintain a healthy credit profile and make informed financial decisions for a secure future. In conclusion, regularly checking and understanding your FICO score is a crucial step towards securing your financial future. Your FICO score holds immense importance when it comes to making financial decisions and seizing opportunities that come your way. By staying informed about your creditworthiness, you empower yourself to navigate the financial landscape with confidence. Monitoring and improving your credit score offer a myriad of benefits for your long-term financial well-being. From easier loan approvals and lower interest rates to better credit terms and increased financial opportunities, a healthy credit score opens doors to a brighter financial future. It's essential to take proactive steps towards monitoring your FICO score and making informed financial choices. By staying vigilant, you can track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and take action to enhance your credit health. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to managing your finances, so don't hesitate to take control of your credit journey. Empower yourself by monitoring your FICO score regularly, understanding the factors that influence it, and making strategic decisions to improve your credit standing. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on FICO scoring, credit reporting, and other personal finance tips for a prosperous future. Like this video and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Your financial well-being is in your hands, so seize the opportunity to shape a secure and prosperous future.